you build yourself. Feelings will never kill you, but running away from them will. When times get tough, remember that the storms don't last forever. Be what you want to be, and not what others want you to become. Dig on, know, and will never know. You are the one that decide your fortune and no one else. No one can tell you how you will live. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Whatever life throws you, just be strong and fight. And remember, strong walls shake, but never collapse.